Hi everyone, this is Cindy Cricut the Heart, and I'm here to share some projects that I made, Halloween projects. So I used a couple of CCDesigns things as well as paper from Doodlebug and Polka Doodles. So first I'm using this really cute stamp set. It's called Halloween. It's got these larger sized girls, which I think are really cute. And it comes with a cauldron, and so I used this one. Put it away. Really like this stamp set a lot. Super cute. So I use that. And then I use the CCDesigns little box. So what you do is you cut your box out twice. And then this is a layering piece for right here. And then it even comes with cute little tags, which I actually didn't use for this one, my project. So let me go ahead and show you what I made. So first I made the cute little box. Came together fairly easy, and I put one of the little girls on here as well as the bat that I got from, let's see, I don't know where it is. It is from Reverse Confetti. So this is a die that I bought last year on clearance, and it has a really nice sized bat in there. So I did use that and a glitter paper, and then I just cut a piece, a word out of the paper collection from the Doodlebug, and then I tied a piece of really cool kind of this tulle that I got from, I want to say that I got it from the Dollar Tree. So I think it came out really cute. So there's the first project. And then the other little girl I made a tag. So this actually is another CCDesigns product. It's one of my favorite tag dies ever. I use it all the time. So this tag die, and then this is a My Mind's Eye ephemera piece that I have in my collection, a whole bunch of them. And then this is a foam sticker from crepe paper that is a leftover piece from last year. And then my little girl that I colored with Copics, and I just put on the tag. Really simple. It came out really cute. And then I made 2 cards. So both of these cards are using the Halloween paper from Polka Doodles from last year. And so very simple. I use my cat scrappiness die, rectangle die, to cut this image out. This is a sentiment from the stamp set, colored in with Copics. Just as Vampy wishes. Super easy little card. And then this one, she got colored in green. It says, "Have a Witchy Halloween." And same exact style of card. And I think it came out really cute. Right. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Cricut the Heart.